Hey Don, it's not explosions, there's been an air raid siren just suddenly. Oh, here it is. There you are. That's an air raid. An air raid siren. Several of them going off here in the center of the Ukrainian capital. Now, whether that's them just testing it, I don't think so though, given the situation we currently find ourselves in, or whether Ukrainian radar has picked up approaching aircraft or missile attack inside the center of the city, I don't know. But this adds another ominous, alarming feature to what has been an ominous and alarming day so far.